Indeed, sideways snow, blowing sand and snow drifts made for a miserable time. Our Alyssa Ali is live in Hampton this morning with a look at conditions right now. Good morning to you, Alyssa. I can see your chin chattering in the cold.
Yeah, the wind is making it brutally cold out here. The sideways snow still blowing. Kind of feels like a snow blizzard out here, even though the snow isn't actually falling, but the wind is just not letting up. But things are beautiful out here. People are starting to come out. I've seen some plow trucks driving, circling around, just looking for any areas that do need to be cleaned up. But the roads are in pretty good condition. Even driving here from Manchester, we didn't have too many issues, but there were some slick spots on those on and off ramps heading there, and that wind still picking up, blowing some of that snow around, so you did see some low visibility. But the sun is out now, so things are a little bit better. But you can see things are pretty quiet here along Hampton Beach. Nothing like what we saw yesterday, but again, the winds are still blowing pretty hard, and we'll keep you updated out here for as long as we can this morning. Reporting live in Hampton Beach, Alyssa Ali, WMUR News 9.